Welcome aboard Slim, a 63-foot Ocean Alexander motor yacht at the height of its class. Onboard accommodations set the stage for pure luxury, featuring 3 bright and spacious staterooms, including 2 queen-sized beds, side-by-side bunks, 3 immaculately designed heads complete with Kohler faucets, and separate crew quarters. Relax and take in the breathtaking views in the state-of-the-art salon, showcasing custom furniture and a built-in entertainment system. Take advantage of the fully equipped galley, offering the best in high-end luxury appliances, including a built-in GE Monogram side-by-side refrigerator freezer, Miele dishwasher, and AEG ceramic 4-burner cooktop surrounded by custom countertops. A teak dining table and large C-shaped settee complete the space for the utmost comfort in indoor dining. Lounge in elegance on the main deck, with both side and aft teak decks abundant with lavish extras, such as a built-in settee, overhead lighting, and superior finishes. The spacious transom and swim grid offer effortless entry and exit, and include a hot and cold shower and underwater floodlights. Above, the deluxe flybridge offers supreme cruising accommodations with custom helm chairs, ample lounge seating, a full barbecue grilling station with fridge and freezer, and a starboard cruising settee and teak dining table for unforgettable evening dining. Contact Slim Charter Services to experience the ultimate in refined yachting luxury today.